Whoa. Wow.
Oh.
Look at these pages. We're in a book. Let's read. Okay, so one cold and rainy day. Oh, that was a bad idea. 'Cause I have the sniffles, and I don't even have my... Cool. Okay, so one cold and rainy day, a little girl named...
Jill, that's me.
Hi, Jill.
Hi, Steve.
So, one cold rainy day, a little girl named Jill came outside to play.
Play.
There she was. She was playing. Yep, playing away.
We have to turn the page.
Huh?
Turn the page.
Turn the page? Okay. So, the little girl, she, there are no pictures on this page.
You have to figure out what happens next.